Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
My
wabarakatuh.
name is Muhammad Yahya Rehan, and right now I will tell you my country destination, that is Australia, especially the city in Melbourne, state of Victoria. So, why I choose Australia? Because in Australia there are so many places to go and the unique wildlife. So, especially in the Victoria State, like for the example in the Phillip Island, Bendigo, and also uh, one place in Melbourne, that is Victoria Market, Queen Victoria Market, is the famous places when you come to VIC or Victoria in the inside the Victoria State, I mean. And as you know, in Australia there's also some unique wildlife like kangaroo, koalas that always sleep 20 hours a day and only wake up 4 hours. And then there's also some reptiles in Australia. And also in the Australia is mostly in Melbourne and Sydney. They offer modern lifestyle combined with the natural beauty, and that's why Australia is a very attractive destination for the tourists. And for the student life in Australia, uh, not only about studying, they also learn about personal growth, so they can experience the balance between the academic life and the daily activities. Like for the example, my sisters is working at IKEA while she was studying at Monash. So she's taking a part-time job in that place, and uh, some of the tuition fee she can pay by her own uh,
Salary?
by her own salary from the IKEA. And also, because of this, the environment helps students become independent, responsible, and confident. So for me, this is an important thing because I want to grow not only from the academic but also as a person. And mostly you know this about Australia is the most multicultural country, and mostly in the Melbourne is known as one of the most multicultural country in the world. I mean multicultural cities in the world. So the people from many different countries like from Indonesia, Malaysia, Indians, and so much places, so much more. They often come to visit Australia for works, for studying, and for living there. And because of that, the culture is very so many. And because of this, it creates a friendly and inclusive environment, especially for the international students. So we can meet people from all around the world in the one cities. We can learn new cultures and build a global connections. And just in Australia, there are also so many communities from all of the countries. Like for the example in the Melbourne and around the Melbourne cities, there's PPIA, or in Indonesia means Perhimpunan Pelajar Indonesia in Australia. So the college student in there creates environment for the Indonesian student that live in there, so they can still communicate with other Indonesian peoples. So they still can speak Indonesia even after 5 years or more live in Australia. And my plan to study at Swinburne. Swinburne is one of the universities that are popular in the engineering degrees. But in the QS World University ranking, it ranked on the 285. So it's like below UE. But in Swinburne, we can learn by practicing, and the environment in there teach us directly when there's a project. There's also the client that we need to handle. And during my studies, I plan to develop my technical skill and gain real world experience in the Swinburne University. And then after I graduate from this university, I want to work in Australia for a few years and targeting to get I'm trying to achieve a permanent resident visa. It's a visa that if you get that, all of
you will have a lot of feature here, or a lot of how to say discipline will get you.
so so if you get the permanent resident visa, all of the right that real Australian people get, we can also get, like free hospital, free education, and some other things. And then in the future also, I was aiming to apply for that permanent resident, and also trying to become Australian Australian people. So like changing warga negara.
Nationality.
So like changing nationality. And the reason I came to Swinburne is because my sister and my brother live in Australia, and actually my first target is to apply at Universitas Islam Madinah in the Arabic place.
Okay. So
And
your family already gets the permanent.
my brothers is almost get the permanent resident, and if my sister also get the permanent resident, my parents will also get that,
I see.
except me. So I need to get that by my own. So that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.